To me, the launch of BJP manifesto as a Sankalp Patra on this auspicious day not only marks the birth anniversary of B.R. Ambedkar, but today is also being celebrated as a new year in many parts of the country, including the Northeast and Tamil Nadu. Today, if we see the entire launch, the entire podcast was about welfareism, beneficiaries, schemes, vikas, and it wasn't anything anywhere about caste. So it is to me the advent and the launch of a renewed Bharatiya Janata Party. And trust me, it is very ironic to speak, but BJP is now as left politically and economically as it can get. So BJP to me now seems to be toting on a left vision of economics. And yes, regarding the transparency, BJP has worked on a jam trinity, Jan Dhan, Aadhaar, Mobile. So when it comes to UPI, when it comes to Jan Dhan, when it comes to this bank account, transparency, so BJP is all in. Let me quote a simple number with you. As per the numbers touted by BJP-led My Government portal, it is said that near about 2.7 lakh crore have been saved just by the purpose of DPT, just by the mechanism of DBT, direct beneficiary transfer. And there's a very famous line from Rajiv Gandhi ji कि मैं 100 रुपया भेजता हूँ तो 15 रुपया पहुँचता है. So BJP has trained its guns on the corruption issue against the dotted India line. Have you ever noticed a PM launching manifesto and covering the grounds from the ready wala, truck driver, from the potato chips to semiconductor chips? I mean, the buzzwords of the manifesto launch were green energy, solar energy, foreign reserves, sustainability, global vision, green hub, pharma, semiconductor, electronics, automobile, innovative. These were the buzzwords touched upon by the PM, who's almost 75 years of age. So this is, to me, an emerging India, a new India,